Hello and welcome back to the course. Cleaning, disinfection, and the proper disposal of waste are essential to the HACCP-based FSMS of a food business. A supervisor must ensure regulations and protocols are followed to the letter, in full detail. That's why today we will discuss waste disposal, cleaning and disinfection. Let's start with bins. Internal waste bins must have a lid, be pest-proof, have disposable polythene bin liners inside. Here's a tip. Foot-controlled bins can be used to avoid contaminating the hands. And lastly, for internal bins, waste must be disposed of frequently during the day to prevent overflow. They should be disinfected and cleaned at the end of each day. External waste bins must be waterproof, durable, have securely fitting lids, washed and emptied as part of a schedule. Remember, the surrounding area must be cleaned and hosed down regularly, with a close supply of water, accordingly. Waste storage areas must be placed away from food delivery and preparation areas. Easily cleanable and disinfectable. Constructed with a waterproof base. Please keep in mind that both waste paper and cardboard, and fresh packaging, should be stored in open containers. All food waste and materials must be disposed of regularly in a hygienic and environmentally friendly manner. Also, don't hesitate to contact your local authority to determine how to separate waste properly for the collection agents and where to recycle. Waste cooking oil must be stored to prevent spillage and collected by specialist firms. Do not pour it down the drain. Now, let's talk about cleaning. So why do we need cleaning anyway? Well, effective cleaning is essential and fulfills legal requirements, stops contamination, prevents the growth of pathogenic microorganisms, stops pest infestation, removes allergens and physical contaminants, creates a comfortable working environment that boosts morale, promotes a favorable image among customers and rivals, prevents damage to stock and equipment, reduces overhead costs. As for detergents, they must be available as liquids, foams, gels or powders, be non-toxic, easy to remove, and should not form scum. Detergent's power comes from three qualities. Surfactancy reduces water's surface tension, enables penetration of dirt and grease. Dispersion enables dirt to be lifted from surfaces. Suspension keeps dirt from being reabsorbed and able to be washed away. All surfaces and equipment must be cleaned immediately after use. Grease and dirt are easier to remove when fresh, and bacteria get less time to grow. Also make sure to use freshly prepared disinfectants according to manufacturer's instructions, in the correct dilution and at the correct temperatures, on surfaces that have already been wiped and cleaned free of dirt and grease. Beware of hazards from disinfectants becoming contaminants. Remember, ingestion of cleaning chemicals is another form of food poisoning. Cleaning equipment must be manufactured to suit food businesses to avoid contamination and recontamination. Color coding should be used to ensure cleaning equipment is only used for specific tasks. Next up, disinfection. Cleaning removes microorganisms, but disinfection kills them. It can be performed by these methods: heat, steam, chemicals, irradiation. Heat disinfection is the most effective killer of microorganisms. As some guidelines, dishwashers should operate at 88 degrees centigrade or more for at least 90 seconds, and sterilizing units should operate at 82 degrees centigrade for at least 30 seconds. Standard hot wash laundry cycles also achieve sterilization. As for the cleaning procedures, clean as you go is the basic philosophy of hygiene. This keeps work areas and equipment free from dirt and clutter, safe and in good repair. Staff should ensure that any mess or dirt is removed as soon as it is made, while they continue to work. Utensils and equipment should similarly be cleaned and disinfected as work progresses. Another technique known as clean in place, CIP, involves cleaning the insides of equipment, pipes, and vessels without taking them apart. Its advantages include good hygiene for dairy, brewery and food processing industries, faster cleaning by avoiding dismantling equipment, fuel labor costs, can be repeated often as required, no chemical hazard risks to workers. The equipment must be properly designed to enable CIP. The process involves running foam-free detergents and disinfectants through machinery to remove dirt and pathogens. As a supervisor, you must check the schedule and that all work is performed correctly, as well as whether any machinery dismantled and put back together is safe to use again. Supervisors must also ensure there are enough cleaning materials and products, give staff clear instructions, make sure that staff are properly trained, ensure the availability of proper facilities, check that equipment is correctly cleaned and stored after use. If necessary, demonstrate correct use and procedure. And we have reached the end of this video. Today we learned that cleaning and waste disposal are a high priority on a supervisor's list of responsibilities for monitoring. In the next one, we are going to delve deep into pest management. See you soon.